बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to perform an experiment, that is reflection of light with the help of prism. For this first we talk about the apparatus we need, that is a wooden board, a paper, a few pins, a protector, a lead pencil, scale, a prism that is of triangular shape, a razor and a sharpener. First of all, we place a paper on a board with the help of 4 pins. Then we draw an outline for the prism, same like that I draw here, and that is the outline for the prism. By the help of a protector, I got the angle of incidence. First of all, mark the angle of normal angle, that is 90 degree, by moving towards on the left side, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. On 30 we have a angle of 60 degree, that is angle of incidence. By joining the points with this and this, that is angle of incidence, and make a dotted line for the normal and solid at the center to show that that is the normal. Normal means 90 degree. After that we start place 2 pins over here on the incident ray, and again placing the prism on its place, and later on we have 2 more pins. By viewing on the right side, you can see that all the 4 pins are in a same way, or in the same path, or means parallel to each other in a single line. That is your emergent ray. When we combine these rays, combine these pins. After that we join the points on which we place the pins over here, and draw a 90 degree angle, that is that one normal, that is the angle formed by the normal and the emergent ray, that is called emergent angle. And the angle formed by the incident ray and the normal, that is of angle of incidence, that is angle of emergent, that is angle of incidence. We can combine these 2 points with each other, so we can say that when the light ray enter into the prism, it reflect, and when it leave the prism, it also reflect, bends away from the normal. That all of we have done in the previous experiment, that is the reflection by the glass slab. As in the start, we get the angle of incidence, that is 60 degree. When we place the protector over here in the normal, that we get the angle of emergent angle, that is 32 degree. We can place that point. We can concentrate that the both line coincide with each other. That means that emergent incident ray falls over here and then passes with this pattern. That's all about the how to find the angle of incidence and reflection by the help of prism, that is reflection through prism. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.